Are you ready to power the future of global tech? Here's your golden opportunity. Atlassian is hiring. Atlassian, the company behind legendary tools like Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket, and Trello, is calling out to aspiring data engineers who want to make a real impact. Role: Associate Data Engineer. Job type: full-time. Remote-first culture, global teams, world-class products. This isn't just another data job. This is your chance to work with one of the world's most respected software companies that's transforming how teams work together across industries, across borders, and across the globe. What will you do? As a data engineer at Atlassian, you'll become part of a world-class data team where your work will directly shape how the products evolve and perform. Your core responsibilities include defining and managing key metrics across platforms, designing smart data pipelines for ingesting and transforming data, architecting scalable data systems that power dashboards, alerts, and reports, ensuring data quality, governance, compliance, and access, working side by side with product, data science, and engineering teams to generate meaningful insights. And remember, your work won't just stop at data. You'll be influencing business strategy, enhancing product engagement, and helping Atlassian scale smarter. What do you need to apply? To qualify for this exciting role, you'll need a bachelor's degree in a STEM field or computer science, engineering, math, or related, strong experience with Python or any modern programming language, solid grasp of SQL and relational databases, experience in data modeling, transformation, and pipeline development, familiarity with data governance, SaaS platforms, and cloud-based architecture is a huge plus. In short, if you live and breathe data, and you love solving real-world challenges at scale, this role is designed for you. Why choose Atlassian? At Atlassian, you're not just a developer. You're a collaborator, a strategist, and a builder of better futures. You'll enjoy global exposure, brilliant minds around you, innovative projects, career growth, and leadership opportunities. How to apply? Click the apply link in the description below. Read the official job page carefully. Fill out your application with accurate details. Review and double-check before submitting. Hit submit and prepare for your journey with Atlassian. Don't miss this chance to join a mission-driven company that's reimagining team collaboration for millions around the world. Whether you're a recent graduate or a rising data talent with a passion for clean, scalable, and actionable data, Atlassian welcomes you. Apply today. Transform tomorrow. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more premium tech job updates.